Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. So if you have a shortcut that you made a while ago and you want to delete it because you don't use it anymore, I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So what you are going to want to do first is go to your chat feed. Now once you are here, scroll up as far as you can on the chat feed, and then all the options that are hidden should show up. Once the hidden buttons show up, you're going to want to click on the plus all the way to the right of all the buttons. And here you'll be able to edit shortcuts. Now choose the shortcut that you want to delete and click on it. Once you click on it, you should see a trash icon in the top right corner. If you click on that, then this option will show up, and then you can just click yes, delete the shortcut, and you will delete the shortcut. So the other way to delete a shortcut, if that doesn't work, is go to your camera and then take a snap. Once you take a snap, click send to, and then here, all the way to the right of the shortcut, there should be an option that says shortcuts. Click on shortcuts, and this edit shortcuts option should show up. Choose the shortcut that you want to delete, click on the trash icon in the top right corner, and then click delete, and it should say yes, delete the shortcut, and delete it. So that's how you delete a shortcut on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.